What is a current transformer? A current transformer is a device that steps down the high current of a power circuit to a measurable low current within the range of 1 ampere or 5 amperes. A current transformer comes under the category of instrument transformers. It is basically an inductive type transformer. It works on the same principle of induction between two coils, just like a normal power transformer. But the only difference is that, in a normal power transformer, the primary current depends on the load connected to the secondary. When there is no load, ideally, no current is drawn from the source by the transformer. In practice, a small magnetizing current and a core loss component always flow through the primary winding, irrespective of the loading condition in the secondary. But in the case of a current transformer, the current that flows through the power circuit also flows through the transformer's primary. This is because a current transformer is always connected in series with the power line, whereas a normal power transformer is connected across the lines. So, the primary current in a current transformer produces flux in the magnetic core linked with the primary winding. This flux induces the required current in the secondary winding when the secondary circuit is closed. And the secondary current, multiplied by the number of turns in the secondary winding, is ideally equal to the primary current multiplied by the number of turns in the primary winding according to the basic transformer law. In current transformers, we mainly use 1 or 2 turns in the primary. Therefore, the secondary produces a much lower current depending on the number of turns used in the secondary winding. So the definition of a current transformer is: a current transformer is an instrument transformer in which the secondary current is directly proportional to the primary current and the phase angle between the primary and secondary currents is ideally zero. A current transformer is an instrument transformer that replicates the high current of a power circuit into a measurable current in its secondary winding for measurement and protection purposes. Therefore, from the definition, we can clearly understand that a CT mainly performs two tasks. The first task is to reduce the power circuit current to a measurable, practically usable value, which we can safely feed into low-rated meters and protection relays. The second task is to electrically isolate the metering and relay circuits from the high-voltage power network. This is because, in a CT, we connect the primary terminals of the current transformer directly to the high-voltage line. But the voltage produced at the secondary side is much lower and within a safe value. As per standards, it may be within about 1.1 kV. Now, a question may arise in your mind. We are increasing the number of turns in the secondary winding of the current transformer compared to its primary winding. So as per the normal transformer principle, the voltage should also step up in the secondary winding. But this does not happen in a current transformer. This is because the primary of the current transformer is connected in series with the power line. So the voltage difference across the two primary terminals of a current transformer is very small. It is in the millivolt range. And this small millivolt voltage drop across the primary winding is what gets stepped up to the secondary winding, not the entire line voltage. So the induced secondary voltage in a current transformer ranges from a few hundred to a few thousand volts only. In this way, a current transformer provides isolation between the high voltage power network and the metering and protection system. According to standards, the secondary current of a current transformer is either 1 ampere or 5 ampere, although 1 ampere rated current transformers are much more widely used in modern power systems than 5 ampere rated current transformers. The CT ratio is selected depending on the rated current of the primary power circuit where we connect the CT. Suppose there is a maximum normal current of 650 amperes that can flow through a phase of the power circuit. In that case, we can select a CT with a transformation ratio of 800 over 1 ampere. This means that when 800 ampere flows through the power circuit, the CT will give exactly 1 ampere at its secondary. If the CT ratio is 800/5 ampere, then we can say that when 800 ampere flows through the primary of the CT, exactly 5 ampere will flow through the secondary winding. In the metering circuit, that 5 amperes will be calibrated to represent 800 amperes. Also, the protection relay senses this scaled value and interprets it accordingly. Now in that case, if 200 amperes flows instead of 800 amperes, then as per the transformation ratio, 200 गुना 1/800 बराबर 0.25 amperes will flow through the secondary circuit of the CT for an 800/1 CT. Hope you got the idea.